Our next speaker is Mr. P.V. Subramaniam. May I invite him, please, sir? He on the stage. Thank you, sir. Mr. P.V. Subramaniam. A big round of applause for him.
Good morning. Not bad. So I think you've had enough laughs for the day. Right, so my job, I have been told, is to scare you. I don't think IFAs get scared by anybody other than SEBI, right? Now SEBI is scared of IFAs. इतने लोग आ जाते हैं बोलने को ये करो वो करो vendors. The best thing about IFAs is they know almost everything. There is nothing that they don't know. So they can do goal-based investing for you, they can do financial planning for you, they can do your retirement planning. There is only one thing IFAs don't know. What is that? What is the only thing that IFAs don't know? They forget only one thing, that they will also retire. So, just like he said, we write down all the appointments of people whom we have to meet, and we forget our own family. True? So we know how a client should retire, we know all that. We only forget that we also have to retire. How do I change the slides? Where do I use the point? Point कहाँ करूँ? So that all of you think IFAs are performing a useful role in society? Thank God. Thank God. So why people don't go to an IFA? What percentage of the population are we covering? Why is it so low? Why is it that IFAs are worried about losing business and not doing anything to increase business, or not doing enough to increase business? Funnily, I find many IFAs who come to me and say, "Dhanda bahut zyada hai, I'm giving away business." And I meet other IFAs who say, "Dhanda nahi hai, what is SEBI doing?" and things like that, right? All of us hear both these questions. So you think IFAs are performing an important role in society? You think every person who is earning money needs an IFA? सुना ही नहीं दे रहा. Kanak, this pre-lunch, I think people are hungry. This is not pre-lunch, this is post-breakfast, right? So, how many of you, listen carefully, how many of you go to an IFA? Useful people, they perform a role in society. Everybody needs an IFA. Only person who does not need an IFA is an IFA, right? Why? That's how I started. IFAs know everything. They don't need motivation. They don't need financial planning. They don't need retirement planning. But they think everybody else needs it. Isn't this amazing? Isn't it stupid? Should you not go to an IFA? IFA, RIA, MFD, whatever. किसी के पास तो जाना चाहिए. Why don't we go? Because we think we are not performing a useful role in society. If you thought you were performing a useful role in society, you will go. Because you think a person goes to an IFA because somebody has to sit and analyze his needs, do a planning, tell him what will happen if he dies, you will, all that. But हम तो अमर हैं, हम तो मरने वाले ही नहीं हैं, हम तो हनुमान हैं, हमको कुछ नहीं होगा, right? Why do we get that feeling? We are doing it for others who pay us. We are not doing it for ourselves because nobody pays us. Exactly like what he said. All outside appointments are important. Family appointments are not important. मैं तो नहीं मरूंगा. Right? All of you must have seen death close by. Some friend, relative, 32-year-old, 50-year-old, 80-year-old die. I have not seen any SEBI provision saying IFAs will not die. मैंने देखा नहीं, होगा तो पता नहीं, मैं सब provision नहीं जानता, right? Is there any reason why you shouldn't have an IFA? Because I'll tell you why I'm bringing this up. Because if you are an IFA and you're selling mutual funds, there is a chance that you will be biased towards 10 schemes maximum. Largely it happens that only 2-3 schemes you concentrate, maximum you go to 10 schemes, 12 schemes, maybe 5 fund houses, 4 fund houses. You will do maybe 10 fund houses, but you concentrate on 2 or 3. So when you are biased towards equity, your own portfolio will be only equity. When you are biased towards debt, you will have only debt. Or if you are a life insurance agent, you will have only life insurance. That's not right, right? You need an IFA first. Go to your friend, but please pay him a fee. And you also pay him a fee charge him a fee when he comes to you. Right? You can do that. You don't have to go to a friend. You can go to somebody who is unknown. If you are in Calcutta, you can go to somebody in Bombay. If you are in Bombay, you can go to somebody in Chennai. If you don't want others to know what you are earning, don't go to a friend. वो आके बोल देगा बीवी को, यार इसके पास 15 crore का extra insurance है. You don't want profit taking to happen in term insurance, no? But go to an IFA, get your own retirement planning done. This is even worse. What happens to your clients if you die? Have you thought about it? When you go to a big company, they have something called BCP, Business Continuity Plan. Right? So National Stock Exchange has this whole thing replicated in Chennai. So if something happens in NSE Bombay, Chennai will take over within maybe a minute or two. What do you have for yourself? Do you have a BCP in place? Business Continuity Plan? Or we think all this is only for others, it's not for us. Why so much of silence here? कुछ